driving.
Thank you very much.
Still feels very backwards. Even the window wipers go this way, which is different.
Yeah, that was weird. That was weird. So we've just parked next to some nice van life for people. We watch this on YouTube a lot, don't we, van life?
Yeah, we do.
So there's some there and there's one over the back there, and I'm loving that for them, that they've managed to park here for free, it looks like, as well, because that's a bit of a challenge. And look, so this is the Citadella. I don't know what it's called. Port Antic, was it called? I think so, yeah. So yeah, drive was okay. So we weren't far down the road. We're going to go and have a little walk. It looks like there's some nice places down there. Let's show you. So this car park we found, and we think it's free. I mean, please do your own due diligence just to make sure, but can't see any parking. It not the main season.
Signs other than parking.
But wow, what an outlook this is. I do love looking at the boats. Don't have a desire to own a boat, but beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Beautiful. So we're down on the real port bit, and it's just beautiful. Look at that lovely cathedral up there, and we've got some big fish in the water that keep floating by, that we keep seeing. Lots of lovely boats. Places over there that you can get a drink and stuff, and I love it. Do you love it?
Really like it, yeah.
So we've just found a very beautiful little shop just up this hill with the steps. There's loads of cute little quaint places. So I've come into the cathedral without Jasmine, so excuse my whispering. Here's the font. It's just beautiful. Jess is just sitting outside cooling off. I would always recommend coming to see the cathedral because I just think it's so beautiful. And the history and... Did you see when we went to Iceland, we went into the Helguinskirkja, and it was just, oh wow, look at that. Entrance to the chapel just cost €7, and that also gave me entrance to the convent, and I love things like that. So Jasmine waited outside and cooled off while I went and had a look. Wow, look at this, how beautiful. And there's someone up there painting it. Is he arguing about something on the phone, or I don't know. And these gorgeous trees. I'm so blown away with Menorca. I would never have known how gorgeous it is. Wow. Okay, I just had to come back out. I don't know if you know this about me, but I get anxiety with certain things. I walked in there looking at my phone and I looked up and it went. So let's try again for the second time. Are you ready? No, I've still got it. I need to try and get over it because I just need to get over it. Crumbs, look. Let's go in. Can I? Oh God, my anxiety's really bad. I'm terrible, terrible. How beautiful is this? Oh, I know you never get the full thing of it on a video, but gosh. Okay, I'm all right now. I'm all right. I'm calming down. I think as well because I'm just totally here on my own, and there's a chill in the air. Do you know what I mean? I'm sure you do. Size of this shell, is that really huge? Wow, I think that must be an oyster shell, I think. There's a whole display in here of little shells. I think they probably mean something, or they're very, very old. I'm not too sure. I'd really like to know what that is. If any of you can tell me, please put it in the comments, because I don't know. I'm going to guess it's a sea creature, because there's... oh no, these are birds, so maybe not. So in theory, I should say this is more my department. This is all sciencey stuff. Well, I don't know if I'm feeling it so much with that as I am with getting on a plane and whatnot, but interesting. Okay, I'm out now. I just wanted to show you this just down from the cathedral that I was in before. It's this really quaint little street that's got some really sweet shops in it, and we quite like it. I think you could have a really great time here. So yeah. So we just decided we wanted to sit there and have a drink and maybe some ice cream or something. And fair enough, the man said no, it's a restaurant. So, but he's got lots of empty tables, so it seems a bit silly. But hey, so we're going to try and find somewhere to sit and have a nice little drink. Yeah. A bit of a freshen up. Yeah. So we've come to a lovely, what's this called? Pizzeria Colaro, right by the port. Just to have a drink and how much about a nibble? Maybe not. So there's loads of fish. I don't know if you can see them in there. Look at that, how lovely. And I've got to point out this place that we've just left. So we're right in the port, and over there, can you see that name of that place? They were so friendly in there. We could just sit there and have a glass of Coke. They didn't question it. They didn't, you know, it was lovely. So we're going to head back to the car now. Well, I'm ready for the swimming pool. I've got very sore feet, so I think that might do me some good. And we're going to have a couple of hours in the pool. A bit of a late dinner tonight, because we're going to go out to watch a sunset, some amazing, beautiful place that will probably be in this vlog. Actually, I won't do that separately. And yeah, the city was gorgeous today. Loved that. Absolutely beautiful. So we just come to sit by the pool, and this is the place that we found. Happy?
Yeah, very.
So we're overlooking that lagoon, but I want to go for a swim, so I'm not sure I'm going to go to the swimming pool. It's really busy around there. A bit choppy. Sure. Well, it's evening time again. I've got my makeup on. I've got a different dress on, and looking a little bit more of a healthy glow than I was. Isn't it a lovely evening? So it's got a little bit of a breeze, and we've gone for the shaggy curly hair again. And Jasmine and I are going to head out to go and watch a sunset. Now, this is in oh crikey, Cala Blanca, I believe I'm right in saying that. It's a recommendation. There's a seafront there. I'm going to put a shirt on over the top of this. Really excited. Going to be driving down there and getting the hang of the driving quite nicely now. I'm quite confident, so that's all good. Yeah, we've had such a lovely day, honestly. This hotel, I can't say it's the best hotel I've ever stayed in. The food is a bit mediocre. It's all right. It's all right, but I can't say it's brilliant. And there's things like there's no soap in the toilets and things like that, which is a bit rubbish. But I do love the outlook, and I think the service is pretty good. There's not much more here really that they can do. Other than fill up the soap in the toilets, but the beds are comfy, the place is clean, and yeah, so there's nothing really bad to say. It's just not my favourite. I've just got to show you this lovely daughter. You look so nice.
Thanks.
You really do. I'm a bit not loving my own look now. Anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to go watch the sunset. Hopefully. It is a bit cloudy. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy outside, but that's not the end of the world. Right, are we ready?
We are.
Let's take that out of there. Woohoo! Got my car keys, so going for a drive, and I've also had to remember my glasses because it'll be dark when we're coming back, and I don't really want to drive without the glasses on. So, shall we go?
Yes.
I really like this design of this cathedral. It's really pretty. Like, look at that, Jasmine. It's nice. Oh, this is the car park. Gonna go and find a nice car. What about the sunset, do you think? Might be an interesting one. A successful drive by me and my co-pilot. Thank you, co-pilot. We are in Cala Blanca. I think I look amazing today.
You do.
Just took a screenshot. We're in Cala Blanca. We're going to go down there to the sea because I've been told by my lovely friend that there's an amazing sunset. Let's go. There's Jasmine.
Hey.
There's the nice car that I've just parked so expertly. Down here is the sea, and look, there's the sun. It's cooler tonight. I like it though. It's nice. Little restaurants, I want to keep calling them tavernas, but that's what we call them in Greece.
Oh, really?
Not in Spain. Yeah, tavernas. This is the sunset. It is beautiful. I can totally see how on a clear day or whatever, you know. So yeah, we're gonna go over here. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but there's an Irish bar over there. Looks like they sell that coffee. I like that. Illy, I-L-Y.
Yeah.
Or I love you. I don't know what it's called. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna. Jasmine's just vlogging. She's oh, thanks.
Nice, right?
That's lovely. I've got one of these coffees. Now, last time I had one of these, Jazz, was in Bosnia with David and Tam. And I met their friend and we had a very deep conversation over one of these coffees in a lovely, lovely hotel. And it was really nice. So, no, yeah, we sat here, sunset beyond the clouds and a lovely coffee. Really nice. Nice? Yum, yum. Spanish ambulance behind you, look at that. Take note of this Instagram, look. Chica, Menorca. Oh, we're going to come back here because it's very, very cute and we think that looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Yeah. Let's come back another day.
Let's do that.
Yeah. I'm usually tonight for dinner I have a small sangria. Now because I don't drink, I've literally got the smallest bit of sangria in there like that and then topped it up with fizzy orange, which is quite cute. So you've got the flavour of it but not really much else. And while in Spain have some paella. This has got cuttlefish in it. I've never had cuttlefish, so that's interesting. Chorizo sausage, might not have too much of that. Cutest carrots in the world. Some potato wedges. I don't know what Jasmine's got. And there's not really any dessert I can have other than ice cream. So I might have some melon. Well, that was a nice dinner, wasn't it?
Very nice. I enjoyed that.
Going for a little wander around the hotel now. Now we're leaving here. Some more steps in. We've come out here for a little wander, thinking there'd be no one here. Oh, they're probably the smoker people, I expect. Probably. So this is obviously where the swimming pool area is. It gets really, really busy, and all the bar inside, there's nowhere to sit or anything. So I do wonder if the hotel is a little bit too many rooms, if you like, for places to sit.
Yeah, maybe.
Because I can't imagine that it's at full capacity.
One in the morning, isn't there? Was it?
Oh,
was
yeah.
It sunbed run?
The marathon something. Can't remember.
Oh, I don't.
But anyway, it's nice and fresh this evening. But yeah, looks cute. So we're thinking. So there is an adult bar. So we're just going to quickly have a look there. If that's a no, then we're probably going to go up to the room, maybe do a bit of editing or a little bit of work, something like that. Do some posting and what have you. Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be fun. That sounds lovely to me as well.
Me.
And we are now literally in the middle of the countryside. It's so beautiful. We passed a massive kestrel, didn't we, Jazz? That was beautiful kestrel.
Huge.
Really, really big, flying along the side of us. She said, "Don't look. You drive, I'll look." I was like, okay.
There was these like stone walls all up the side of it.
Yes, we'll be able to show you in a minute. There's some over the back there, but I'll show you a bit closer up. But like that, all down the little road. It was really cute though. So now the map's telling us that we're not that close to the beach. So we've got flip-flops on, so that's not ideal. But in the next video, I took the most hair-raising drive that I'd done abroad ever to try and find the most perfect beach in the world. Make sure you come back for that. I'll see you then.